This Realty ONE Group Select property video is presented by Anna Sturt. Great location and ready to move in. 2-story home with 3 beds, 2.5 baths, vaulted ceilings and walk-in closet in master bedroom, large fenced backyard with fire pit, surround sound, stainless steel appliances with backsplash in kitchen, new carpet on second floor, no carpet on main floor, newly painted, finished garage, shed and more. This was the model home when the neighborhood was built. It's been well kept. Minutes from Concord Mills, Charlotte Motor Speedway, Highway 85 and 485. Quick commute to Uptown Charlotte and International Airport. Check out the virtual tour and enjoy the 3D walkthrough. Come see this home before it's gone. For more information, review the details below.